Shako you know Jordan apase a sign of good luck. As an out nebe koyi. Ba ko atwi nani ba ko so asom na no. Ba jo mic no me sorry. It's answer me mam akwa ba. Adwuma de maye bi. Ya mo kan na kire ha nyina so ya so ya ati atame o so ma so ma ati bi. Naposo latex from your partner for life, Vodafone cash merchant, Commander Roman. Evia. Hey. Na moi aye deni.
Yeah.
Aha, Fidiaba. Asa sisa madane ho ho kakra wo afidie no achi.
Ka wo di na wo twibie no ba na nke free akwa wo hie.
Evia ho ye.
O nyame adom. Me hu fufuo na mama ni ajepa. Ya ye nkunimdifo.
Na wo twi de fufuo no mehyen da bia.
Mehyen da bia ho a wo di hye.
Me etuamu sa.
Etuamu sa ampa.
Mutikura na yen kam de powder ba mtugu mapampa mu yin na.
Ni eti na ye. Ni open na wo ye. Enti me no so ochina na so tugu wapampa mu a wo dem.
Ebetu.
No white and near pink and the move no say.
Ayo ye mfoni na memfa.
Oh and company abuna be twada. Unless we na bi o de twada da. Venture and go de besu.
And me me man akwa ba nti why din.
So I feel.
She's been a good girl.
Oh a good girl there o na ti afaso. CJ
we are there.
Adam dear.
Adam
okay.
Arenia bodon.
Arenia Toma. Sija kwaba.
Yenia.
Kan waseme.
Yeah, the Asidano Emma latex from your partner for life.
Menka said that
Vodafone cash. O madaruma.
Me se kan wasem wo ko he. Na watchi ni
oh
ye na ba ye trim
me koja me nua kwasi asempa
e na ye den
wo adaklu
e no nyina ye ko bi
e ho aseda ne de
ti ye nyina ko bi
bedema
da bi asempa ba
obeba china nyame adom a kwasi asempa will be on tomorrow
e da nyame ase so odom akwa ba
yeah
ba yo so aye fufu chesa ye nkuni
ye
ni nyina ne ye koye e na ye ba ye inti die inti na wo na watchi ni wo ma ye
na ye hwa atoto niema
ara you pass on na yes you pass on na okobuka e wada kulu
ne ewo mu ni se ye mfa aseda matwedi ampo nyankopon esanse ne obonefo no ehihye senka enkobone no twedi ampo nyankopon wadane no because nka ye hu sane ye be ka asem no akwakosi afa odo ne pepa ye de taye nua kwasi asem pachi memene da no na ne kwasi anapa ya sori na makọ washing be kura ko huru me ka ma fele me tank apake me nyama nyina agu me ka mu akwasi ada no if you sorry Thanksgiving no asepe na me bank na because na ma no kura preme aseda no pese me de bana me ye beda omo ba ya se enti na nka ye pon asori no na nka ye sim na yaba ehunu ne ye in fact me free ho ameko adaklu na ekwan no ho adaklu kwan no so enye busy road bia
edaso
ojina ha hu anima kobeye bia
nti so bi ye overtaking crowd be hu no sa
efia baby a moto free kwan no so ebe cross o me
wa hunu esi
ya me hunu ya ne se car no a me driving no
sama soto
ties me no nyina akire wiem
wow ekwan na emuda ho ahwi ni mu no
yasem hu ya ne se ties me no nyina akire wiem me car no amunim bu afa so be de wo ho
obi a wo kọ na ase asore no
yes tina fe yes ano na urem ha yedin twemani a mitisifam
wow
SM ye na me yi seat belt no
asam na wo kan it say video bi za na what wo kan za no nyame ne da na se
na me yi seat belt no na afi akase na me ya me free car ni
because obi anso ni ho obi amba ho
da bi hodin enti
so ho ne hyadanye busy sa
car no ebutu nti na enwura na wo fem no ama aloke
sa
nti ese me de mabetwe bankumi me de abie na me pie Pie ya metwa me hwe ka no na fe me ho so
wow wo hwe dia ye na wo hwe di awapia
me gina ho je ho na hu boys bi Omaba. Masa, are you alone in the car? Unko na wo car nim. Obi shem na obi akɔhwɛ car nim. Obi anim. Na
ka wasi ye de car picture no to.
Ana wo kana sa asre.
Ye de radio ase.
Enti. Na kese.
Ani week wo be hye fufu ampa.
Wo ma hunu emfoni ni de. Wo ma hunu.
Ni ehunu bia.
Car no ayepa
nyame aye bi
enemy amete he ya me kasa
ahwenya wo na wo ba bi anti
me yi mi hai da bia mu hunin efri hɔ I mean
yeah the radio say eno ana ye beka say
nyame agyewo ye da na
wa dum yen
so we are back
yes
ni di akwaye
akwaban
ora SWK chadide akoda mpenfo mo bae bebre
me bae madase na
ni nyina ya suguso
na nyabo cha me pesa sempate ha na mete ha na wotna fe wono na behu because e bia yen kwa e kire ne bi bae so ahu na yetumi awura mu ye ti no si ja kwaba ye da nyame ase so de wa be kan
mo ba adwuma nso so
asempa so hot ma start the polish pa one because so nyabo ochina o ba adwuma oteye tunofo ina adwuma ne nyina ye na ye mfanto aso
abena poku ahwene afia da abena ase etanse wa bo adwuma
ntumi fo ano na ma se sa keke wu
memfa me hena na
se afia o de ewia o de
aba obeka yiwo no obeka samana yiwo
ya kwa
mama okukuom
o ko top test wi ad makwa yiwo
mate
katira wo
uni how afia abena eno obedidi papa
we kana ka momo na ka su
ebe so abena na de na pepe momo na pepe
ni meji momo massage de na ka
Victoria amo osisije buy pizza for Abna Pokua. She did well, pa.
With that,
what did you say?
And you're far above very amount. So the lady to had the winning answer. What Madame Masipa says, see you call me head. Okay, hope Pepe,
men that women penny phone was they should concern, you know, acting chief executive, Kenan San, general manager Abdullah Wudu, Josh Tigo, AC or Hene. You know, penifoni na Raymond Labi HR and
Bomidin na me send you message San Freo.
That's abana wasi the idea
yada ye beto aduane ayo momo aka
o sanso apebio ye fa de bon kata no yanko enim
ayo afia kwai
mate the new publisher the Bokrata no na me de so ase anopai na mame monwura mu na memra pay 2 ha asema wa ha ye police anti-robbery anti-land guard shoots 5 retrieve 4 weapons na nyina esi wo botia no ha nya chiri ya sasi so Ghana sasi so ha ya 8th bosome no June bosome no 8th ena arehosam yi esiye na ano eden yetu akasa bambofo kwa de wo man kono ntokwa so nanso wo mo a wo kwa won so atu won so sa no hunu de ekroro no mo afurase esane tuo nom ne ade egugum enti ho asem ne yese langa se hade hye bia wo mo ewo botia no ene ne mpotamu wa wakoto asase ekosi wudan no uni asumdue ubehunu na enkontima ene nsekan ene tuo ye de gina wo so wan sori asase no so a ye je won kwa de afiri mu nti no bambofo te ye na wo so wo mutu sa no wo mo ekoho wi akire saa nipa no yɛse emu ebi ato ananamo nsia de bi nso prepra ye ho ensem the new publisher the Bokrata no so de aba ensem foforo mu wo the new publisher so maame Esla Owusu Ekufo wono na de nsem itu dai one more aya so branch e bepem sabre ya one more and register one sim ne de ya block won na mom wo a ebi a wonya wo Ghana card genuinely what try and penifo na identification authority penifo no mfama won wo de no yam block no enti o se yen hya no so sa the new publisher the Bokrata no ediaba na mom wo Ghana card ya ka kona ko register why your so won register dia wo sa de by this make say enya de so ye ko bi ye wontumi receive momo ene sa de mani nyina the new publisher the Bokrata na mane bo anope wono so de abani pe 3 won wanie mampani abedi akire se hu nya ne hu enya atende bi amudi di no na eba besuro ebe sesa bibie sa waka so obepre mampani de bia nde obepre ye hia ne se MPP delegate di tumi ne be ma no waye focus nti NDC fo mo se hu na abọ mo ene mu nyina yie na se de tie bia no wono mampani abedi akire ene ne team wo mo hu se nkunimdie be ye wo mo dia ama wo mo ene betu franka de ama MPP nti ene mu nyina yie ho asem nie na we yare ho saba bena ne CJ pay 2 the publisher ene de aba akwada mfie dumiensa de wo ye de kosen ho
13 years
abemu a na esi wo asante mantemu yesi atwema eho no kosi ye na de ye wo mahudwiri kra ne se wo mo ne akra na di agura wo hunu mfumso bia wo hunu boni bia wo ho hunu bibi se bia akra no watete ya na wo haw bi mu ene watumi asen ne ho no ayara ko se the publisher
13-year-old story more interesting but ni audi kan botiano
de
story no yensa kan ni jan komi a otoso miensa oye jase hene botiano ye ni entwetwe enkomoni wadarama o tie enka Adom FM suni ye mo ache me ba to say o ho ye de
nyame
adom ye ho ye pa nia yaya te a ene yi abepiem de bon krata mu ye kase abo ahodo mu efa no land guards ene dwuma a wo mu edie wo mo nsase so ni wadaroma etise ankasa
Adom from for menchiamu ene mu adwuma pa mo ye na no pa we see ye be kasa Botiano Komoho I concerning this very matter. No, there is no land guard in Botiano. That is the records we want to set to the general public.
Okay, so okasa land guards bia anywhere. Any na near a sea police for any omanfo bi to tuo ma emunum kra de wo mo afam ahwere wo mo nkwa no me ba to eno e ba ne sen ni jase
but etime mu kakra bi ni sheda anya papa
but ye penisa kanisa man
ye be kan ho asema sa nkofo a se so mo hwe mu kwan na police ni si omo ye langas for ebimu baako a menene ko school e wo Botiano menene wie GSS e wo Botiano ono nso a o head of family for Nikwe or life family e wo Botiano ho ni brother osu kan ho omu nyina omu free ma me baako papa baako omu nyina wo ma Botiano ko ho no na omu fi onye langard ni ena ngofo omu akọ omu nsu baako nko wo mu a ono oye still bender say eduma ono odi wo site ho no na site ho no ye sound ni gravel wo ho no nti ampa bia ba onu tiri ko na eja o ma ko akọ kakra na o di ada de so ngofo omu eche ho no nti we are not aware of anybody who have got a land there nipa ni nkasa se onu beye duma nkofo we manu kwan se on ye duma we can classify these people as land guards.
Me bacho se omunya land guards fo a try dwuma de airport waka se ba ko de or still bender ba ko so o se ba ko so ye den
ba ko so ye head of family you life family e wo Botiano no
okay okay me bacho sa fo ya wonim wo se wonim omu nyina no I don't know say omonam wabere tuo ehye wo ho because there was an exchange of fire ni jase
if we say there is an exchange of fire, I don't know. The police is also an intelligence unit. We cannot just put anything the police is putting out. But personally, I've been to the crime scene, and I don't know the kind of guns the police are saying they were using. But the Kokrobite Divisional Command, they were able to pick some of the bullets on the floor and the cartridges on the floor. So that one, it is up to the media and the general public or the police. We can go there so that the said gun we say they are using, we can confirm that the bullets or the cartridges that was found by the divisional command. I don't know the types of bullets, because I've not used a bullet before. I personally have not used a gun before. So we can get this record from the Toba Divisional Command and see the kind of guns these people are complained to be using.
Okay. According to the police press release exhibits police furniture say one more retrieve from scene AK-47 assault rifle bako.
Okay.
And 10 rounds of AK-47 ammunition. Okay. 1 pump action gun with 9 rounds of BB cartridges.
Okay.
2 pistols with 10 rounds of 9mm ammunition.
Okay.
1 unregistered Toyota Tacoma pickup.
Okay.
4 motorbikes.
Okay.
3 of which are unregistered. Motorbikes, 3 and registered. A knife.
Okay.
And a pepper spray. These are the exhibits are praised for no. According to one release from the buy no. One more Jeffrey Sam 90
Sure enough. Personally, I'm not disputing anything the police has put out there. Because like I rightly said, the police is an intelligent unit on their own. But these matters are reason, it is a subject for questioning. Because wouldn't say AK-47 it is only the police that are mandated to use that type of gun. I don't know if you understand the angle I'm coming from.
But is this the first time when armed robbery attack and armed robbery incident? Armed robbers no one who use AK-47. Is this your first time? Nee?
That is the first time I'm hearing something of that sort.
Really? It means that you are contesting. You are doubting the press release from the Ghana Police Service.
The press release also states that these people are armed robbers. That is what the press release also said. And what I'm telling you is that one of them is a head of family. It is obviously a waba by Robino, and now we're Robino there. It is a subject of contention.
Police for say these are individuals one more terrorizing residents and landowners in Botiano and nearby communities. Oya jase oya jase. When your information be of these activities Botiano
that is why from the beginning of my statement I said if there is anybody who has put an allegation there that I have bought the land, when I come to the site, you say, I don't even know their name, but some people are authorizing. There are people who sold the land to you. Come to them and let us see which people are authorizing you, because per my knowledge, I don't know of any land in Botiano. And the third person I'm talking about who owns the Tacoma, that's unregistered Tacoma.
Yes.
Personally, I know I've seen the Tacoma pickup before. It's an ash pickup.
Yes.
Yes. So the person who owns that pickup, I'm saying that is the head of family of Nikwe or Life family of Botiano. And that is not in this week. One of the people who we can also find, it is blood brother. Minimum papa. I work on what Bakum Sway also minimum papa. I mean the brothers. Seven that me said and leave 1-on-1. It's a seven that lose you or about to. I know and robber. It is matter that we want to run out from the police.
Okay, but the fact say unimu and say they may or may not be.
Accepted.
Yes. The fact say unimu omono say omo crown and they omit me engaging in any illegality.
But I've also not seen them with any ammunition. So if the police in the intelligence have found out this ammunition, I'm not disputing that fact.
As just say when a complaint be from any of the landowners on the activities of these individuals, when a complaint be say my better say my foundation me buy or my baby me found me walls in have you had any complaints?
Yesterday we had a chief of we have the meeting with the chief of Botiano, who is in the name of Obame Ankuna the first, the only and substantive chief of Botiano. gazetted by National House of Chiefs. And according to the statement he was telling us, some weeks or a month ago, a group of people or persons came to him that he has sold a fraudulent land to a certain group. I recently don't know which group they are. So he was asked to finish them with the document he has given to his customer that he has sold the land to. And he gave them a vivid document on my issue to the client. Assembly the court assembly court judgment we can issue that one also to the general public.
Okay.
So if somebody is claiming ownership of the land there, it is open for discussion.
Wadaroma, maybe some specific question. You as the judge for Botiano, when you complain be that's all
no, please. No.
When you complain be free land owner be a hop paying.
The complaint I had. You know, I was not installed not long ago.
Okay. You do see so no enche.
Enche.
Maybe what to assassia mobi e Botiano ho. Ni jase.
Personally no.
No. Now, how are lands sold? Kwa be na e fa so to assassin e Botiano ho kire yen. Ni jase.
Botiano lands are solely two lands. And it is the chief that has the final authority on Botiano lands. Nobody has the right and authority over Botiano lands apart from the chief. So as just said, I don't owe any allegiance to Botiano lands because I am not the final sayer.
Sir, police for invite as just say based on comment here na pay will make your knowledge of some of these people are police for nature say one more editing go for more assase to come and assist them in investigation. Obeko.
I'm willing to help the police. This is not first time I'm dealing with the police where the regional crime officer I was central or meaning you fine a month ago there was another murder case shooting incident at Botiano. And ever since then, I've been at the regional crime central most of the time. And I've been in discussion with this man. When I call him even at midnight, he answers my call. And he gives me the utmost assistance that I need. So I cannot in any way dispute any press release by the police or the Ghana Police Service.
Say Oma Kano police for by any chance unim baby a omo wo say na obobodin say unim be ba kum yenu bi wo mu unim baby Oma Kano Oma fa
me patcho dey bi nkrofo a yanimu sesi ayen inti enu na pushi a ye ko si ide ye ko tese ye ko hwe san nkrofo no inti up to now even those that are dead and the people who are alive, supposedly, because per the press release of the police, 5 people are dead. As to who is dead, as of now, I don't even know. Because the police didn't come out with any name.
Okay, but you haven't bothered to go find out nipa numu no for all you know ebi anobi obi kra kan ho unimu no sene wabobo nipa mienu din.
I was personally at the police Usu police hospital. And I was asking at the OPD. I was not given the chance. They told me that nobody has been up there yesterday. Because personally, I think they don't know their name. If the police might have even been the people to pick these people, they may not be able to go there with the name that I know. Because the one who owns the Tacoma that I say I school with, his name is Augustine Nikwe. That is the name he used officially when we were all attending school. I don't think this name is available for the police. So if the police should have dropped him anywhere, they might not be able to give the exact name of this person.
Nija say my name was in offense here. Why? Ni Jan Komi the third is the Jasiche. Aisha and Krania wono nya Jasi hene Jasiche. of Botiano.
Mana wakano. Na si je say asemo ba te se bia post for ko dijuma na bi on mamutumi ko ready ye ghettos ni ade omo se ya chenkrofo bi mu ya kromfo ni ade yan ye ba be ka se da bi me ba ne de onye bia me ba na nya kromfo me ba no onye langa
onye basa ompe no ho asem
no kromfo ku ni pedi wo mo ni ma
ompe no ho asem
de bia langa se 430 nti se post for ye adwuma ye mma ye nya wom no munya adwuma no emaye na ye bo so bo bia ye bo post for din
just say we can't send bebrem you say police for
yes.
Maybe get so, this audio and then maybe invite
ye bo post for din omo ye adwuma na ye nya mo no munya adwuma no
o che say omunye am robbers omunye langas and what we share Facebook ash takoma no and that Facebook
no enti motorbikes no so na e registered e bi so ye register a tuo ne pistol ni ade nyina na bi wo so ahunye ne market wo nti we mu nyina so mo de do mo de kwa fo nkodo
just say contest say enye easy say am robber benya AK47
nti pistol no so pistol no so na kan ho kita be no so enkante no so no so na free fa
ya ka ho ne yenkoye nim no so bi ya de bia ye nya sem bi de abeta ho na fe asam no afi wo ye cry to say what time nipa na
pepper spray na na bi wo mu
na so we say ya better na yakon atia sa langas ye mo ha
if ya 13-year-old no so den kan no
you know adokodi e
kan no say no
akrana san
we be no me sound no parade dia grow fi on ma fe 430 dey ko no je say wakose ne kwa
ahoma ye fence suppose dey akon completed bi akwa hange no ho enti 13 years but amani nyon bebre me dofo oya I also oya akra but omo problem one okoka kire no omuntimi nko ma
na o cancel say or ne grandparents enete na ne grandparents no ekwa ye weekend no nti no said the ne ba ye said the ne see sabre na wo de koye
enkwa problem no enkwa problem say so about time said that na se pa na no so wo nya time ama ne ba but some man
no but so then akoye barrier between abofra 13 years, abofra 12 years, abofra 10 years. One timine ne mame entra se entwetwe nkomo. Mame no ana papa no ntime ntwe abofra no ba no ho na ombisa no.
One fan sem kwala na sia. Omunya ya na eyo moden. Se bia obe open up. But se bia ne wo ho no ma ne kwala se ne bia ubisa na school muti sen ana wo ho a na okọ BBC school ma obetumi aka kire me na se ye mo ho nkomo yi. Won sa wo de sade ne hye no obi wonu ma obi hwini ho but ko tumi dwen ho aha mo be makai otumi kai bibi eka basa ko basa wapon aba no nam ne ba bi nso nam ba bi a
obi nam ne ba bi a ene afere mo machi dia besi yi wa musa akura no hwe so no so sa no de nam o enti di obenya aka na asama cha ne nyonko adwen be na wo sa ne nyonko ne timo de ba akura
if you as a father na ye ba be the Father's Day let me use this opportunity na mintu minuanu mu nyina fo all fathers say this is the time to draw closer to our children abofra no so won fie num 5 years impo obi ohonum the last time we hunu ni papa na obe 7 years ne papa ne trans bon komo and nti once abofra no wonyini a sa distance no between wone abofra no ewo ho yemfa na wotwi enka yemma embe ya
ene omundi nkomo
ene omundi nkomo
ene omuntena se
emfa ho se wanyine nya 40 years and 35 years frɛ wo ba no oya wo ba get to find out what is happening to him or her
so omuso akrompo na unim se wo menu bibia de bia wase otumi akwara no kasa on phone de bia wase otumi akwara no kasa
ene kwara
se wo yi wani to ba bi na akwara no so te ne ba bi
ene video call so wo phone nti so want to kwan kura every morning and a weekend bia
no bondo no ewo ho entwi wani now the any kan so mehwe no abuso bia me send ska child school fees and then bia na menye
o tua danka yes na eno ano
no say we have some of these fathers ne ba wo school mo say senior high na university no onim say wasa mekona mekosra kwara no da bi bia me here sika wasende ama we no bia me here we odiaba say maboa mo say de ba tan ho no ma edru visit na wo ho yira wa wo yira wo no odiane de kono emfa no enye na sem ba ni nyina keka ho bi o ni nyina anya obanko na nya ewa badayo be man so wo bi pebre ne kwasra kwada no na kwasa kwada ni bi
kanu amo panyina ti say so woni akra na am bonde ama relationship na am build
esia wo beduru mpempen so bia wo behia ngofra no
in your
old age nanka wunyaya nanka obeyi ene wona nanom nanka wo mo ba enso wunya
no blame obia o asase no me dey say me believe in foundation no ade bia ye ka so foundation no foundation e boil down to everything bibia wo ye bia asase ni hia de dance no de wo de shase no eno na hia hwe arahosem asi e wo mankesim weekendi obi atwa ne fasio ne wall enkro kobu nsuo ebuagu omo so 15 years akra no flats oko foundation ni ye weak nti ekum obi abayo okobu nsuo di abafie enti yenka janmo na nso
na ho na me nka bede bebe se na kasa o mo be shortlist
by now dem
na ye hunu nti no bia ye ko ye nim no nsa kan wo ha na bo mo dia hwehwe mu na ye hu se o mo de videos le by na be shortlist ni ye mo be ye se edu o mo de o ma no be no anu aduane na ya hwe na ye wi assess no na be ko
emi o mo so mo ye hu
adwuma nyame ya Adom a ye Saturday ya ena bibia Friday so that prostate no e wo endpoint share signboard patro ya brono onu won ko twetwe wani enko hwe filling station bia da bi share signboard e was printers wo dru hodo ma anopa na Dwaso Nsem e koso ho work and happiness so e koso ya hye ne so na ebra na e be check nioma on na enya hoto me da se na me de wo to aso awo daily guide obokrata yi mu na sije sama pania be de kire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wakwa kopie mu ewo UK ho na eye MPP amanyoko no mu ma wo ma ye conference chenchenche pa no koye no wakoto bi de amane NDC wo se NDC fo hunu so wo no Baumia enye threat e de ma wo mu a omunya campaign no mu nna wo se munya campaign na mu nna na 2024 abato no emra so sasa na wonye tre na Baumia de wose se oba munya campaign na mona e ho na mobehuna no achi no se wono na sembia waka bia no eye adwuma wo sase na digitalization ye ni ade nyina krompo no wose okoka enam sa ndi samanyoko no wo mu cheda ni mo hwefa mamu ho ene se na ye de abefo nioma ene hyehye ye edi dwumanti no wo betumi atwe wo ma no atwa na da pa wose hyehye bebre na no boss wo de ba ya wo ka ho asam eye de mo beye wo se wo hwemu a wo de digital property address system be baye mobile money interoperability sade we so baye paperless port no guarantor student loans ni nyina ye legacies bia wo de aba abetena abaye adwuma eno achi krompo no wo se Ghana card yi baye sa wo mo enei no Ghana card wo bia gie tuma wo bia register eno na registration wo do nyina ekoso no wo bia de ye eno achi so no chese national health insurance na unsa number no so mo de baye ni short code nya de nyina no wo se na breso nti wo so obobo so a nioma enam no so wo de aba no edroso ni nyina so ye de aba bebo o man no ni abefo kwan so a o man ne pese ofadi dwuma no wo de aba ntoro de na sam nyina ne se wonim se o wa hode no wonim de no wo pepa no ese wo de beboa amoman Ghana tumpon enti wo no ade ne ho akohyem bia wokọ akopre no eno ho asam e wo daily guide wo saka katafa etoso miensa obekenkan mu nsem na me de wo kwade etoso ensie sansa de wo ha ni nyina no afia aboboso e wo hodada chief of staff na wono so etonkra wo hayin ye maame akosua frema osai opare ose enua na oman na yire ne ho edua last year ye dua 20 million afi we no so no 10 million eni nua ya oman na edua na ose se ye koso edua nua na ye omanfo na ye wo important ahodo ye te ben kwaye bu no ya ma ye ni anko ho na ye mo ye kwaye ne ho ban na nye enua no eneni ye dua pa dia ye den emfaso be na beba so enti no wodi Forestry Commission no efiti mansin edi bedrun krahan mo panyin power no na da Forestry Commission no ne say omumo mani enko kwaye ne ho obi obebo awura kwaye mu a onya nkrata ani tumi bi e ma ne kwan na omudi bu nua ne de wo mo famra no enya dwuma na safo ne nyina no emra no ene wo mu ni se ye duadua enue no ono bepiem organ west mansin mu ebe kan Clement wo kan se ho mo duadua nua e wo ho no ma ne nyina no eye kwan a no wo mo so fa so aye omo famu de ya wo cha se eguso edua nua no enkachi wo sa enya kan wo nua abomoden na kwaje odie kodua na mapepepe yo enya dwuma kwaye no yenyere hu nua no na oman no so enkwaranim eno ho asam wo daily guide abokrata yi mu wo mo chesa Jemensa Martin Jemensa Kosanso na ene no second UN Habitat Assembly no oche eno so ho asam wo katafa etoso ensia wo daily guide abokrata yi mu ena mo so a omokọ haje no so no mpanyifo chese ebi mu kura tu dada enti hihye so gwa kwanso mo makari nyina no omodi omu nyina ebekọ kakra daily guide ebo amane wo honom
custodian
Efia Ebreno enti yemfa dia aka no
Dr. Wusu Afia Akuto akopie mu mpanifo as a guest of honor African Investors Council nim Woteki amani wa chechira pod tese out go ntu so on the agrek no enti no na mede twas
agronifem
ho asam no se se so wo manya tumi se wo be wi afa ngo bia won chew na mrane no nya dwuma
finally
wo mo anya sa tumi no tu
fantastic
and also fantastic mama fa me birthday in fem and me and my brother Henry Ousu every year aka Brabot happy birthday enko enfama me and my brother Henry Ousu every year I don't know friend Brabot nyami shan 50 years enya bete eraden double 50 years with the same look as an mano ne picture na de to so no office jina na so pa oh yes yabushia dear menkanyam
happy birthday to you
enti me
ya
Henry Ousu ame bonidina chro
yenu abema Henry
Ousu efriye aka Brabot
ne dada boot
akope ma we so nko from Ayua 05 happy birthday nkoma Mr. Emmanuel Kwasi Japan denchi na me dese na mo yonko bi akosia de da denchi ani nti denchi ya me de pa na wo yentafo papa anti be sure say the eba no somza be yentafo ni so wa wofo abom nya bete Mr. denchi we na me reshe de man kwatenti ahoden wom na fa hwe wabusua from Mr. Kwasi Mafo aka Ayua nti happy birthday nkoma Emmanuel Kwasi Japan denchi nya me sure
ene na da sibre akwamua a Japan to sumienu eyekwa hene ene na woda na yesre obade esem hya hoden nkwatenten edemada sebre na wonkwaso wate nyame ema wonkwaten na omma wo adom enhyira ene eye animunyam na ekoso asom kwauman we efri KPN Kwa Professionals Network executives ni nyina ne members ni nyina nchen na ye reshi kwawo hene da sebre akwamu Japan happy birthday wonyame onto nkodoma wa henie no enye kese na happy birthday so enkoma owuraire Esther Sewa Fosu Niwura Dr. Anthony Ofuso na ye Deputy Director General Edmagana Health Service na wish happy birthday Star Sewa wopokwa senie boutique kese pa na worane wonyame onye kese wonto nkonam wura so sre Adom ene yedie edema happy 70th birthday so nkoma mama Victoria Hagan na seed of UK o se me fan kan ma sije me sori ono so enwehye no ma no enti mama Victoria Hagan happy birthday to you wate na seed of na wish happy birthday no na Gloria so staff member ewo Newmont abrem sister onyame onye okese na onto nkwanam Zonam Beatrice Yevuga ene ye wawoda we efi obi a chairman Kwame Anum nchen wose Nyankopon nye okese no onto nkoroma wonyini emenya 106.3 years Zonam Beatrice Yevuga happy birthday to you. So we show the best in life. Na enchasron konso enkoma Osofo Joseph Bodo ono ewo 12 Apostles Church Kamfa Krum onyame ensha happy Father's Day in advance so na Kojo Mensa Brampa KMA edi Emma waso Nyankopon sha pa medase CJ thank you I
Yenche homra yeba the you know ya de bro the bonkata na posona posen fa ho aseda no emfama latex from your partner for life and a Vodafone cash merchant
say ya wo Ghana asase so a ya wo wodefo